Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Channel for Beginners, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Julia.
Hello, Julia, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. I am so happy to be here today.
I am happy you are here, James. You look very ready today.
I am ready, Julia. I have my notebook, my pen, and my very serious learning face.
Your serious learning face?
Yes, but I also have one problem. I opened my notebook this morning, and I did not know where to start.
Ah, that is a perfect problem for today.
Really? I thought I was just confused.
Many English learners feel confused at the beginning. They ask, should I start with grammar? Should I start with vocabulary? Should I start with speaking?
Exactly. I ask all those questions, and then I close the notebook.
Today, we are going to talk about where to start learning English.
That sounds very useful, because if the beginning is wrong, maybe the whole journey feels hard.
That is true, but the good news is this. You do not need a perfect beginning. You only need a simple beginning.
A simple beginning. I like that.
And I have a small secret for beginners. It is a very easy way to know what to study first.
A secret again? Julia, you always have secrets.
Only useful secrets, James. I will share it near the end of the episode.
Okay, I will wait, but please remember, my notebook is ready.
I will remember. First, let's make one thing clear. English is not one big mountain.
It feels like a big mountain sometimes.
I know, but we can break it into small steps. Listening, speaking, reading, writing, words, and simple sentences.
That sounds better. Small steps are less scary.
Exactly. And the first step is not difficult grammar.
Oh, really? Not grammar?
Not at the very beginning. Grammar is useful, but beginners need words and simple sentences first.
So I should not start with 10 pages of grammar rules?
No, that can make you tired quickly.
Good, because grammar rules make my brain sit down and cry.
Poor brain.
My brain says, please give me a sandwich, not a grammar book.
Then let's give your brain something smaller. Start with the words you need every day.
Everyday words, like food, home, family, work, time?
Yes, exactly. These words are useful because you can use them immediately.
Immediately. What does that mean?
It means right away, not later. If you learn water, you can say, I want water.
That is useful. I can use it today.
Exactly. A beginner should start with useful words, not strange words.
Strange words like volcano?
Volcano is an interesting word, but maybe you do not need it every morning.
True. I do not say good morning volcano when I wake up.
I hope not.
So how many words should I learn first?
Start with 20 to 30 very common words.
Only 20 or 30?
Yes, learn them well. Do not just look at them, use them.
Can you give examples?
Sure. Learn words like I, you, we, eat, drink, go, come, work, sleep, good, bad, happy, tired, today, tomorrow, morning, night, home, school, and friend.
Those words feel simple.
Simple is powerful. With simple words, you can make many sentences.
Like, I am tired.
Yes.
I go home.
Good.
I drink coffee.
Perfect.
That one is my favorite sentence.
I know, James, coffee is very important in your English journey.
It is my first teacher.
Maybe. Now, after words, the next step is simple sentences.
So, not just words alone?
Exactly. Words are like bricks. Sentences are like a small house.
Oh, I like that. If I only have bricks, I cannot live inside.
Perfect. So when you learn a word, put it in a sentence.
If I learn tired, I say, I am tired.
Yes. If you learn hungry, say, I am hungry.
If I learn busy, say, I am busy today.
Excellent. That is real English.
This feels easy. I can do that.
You can. And you should speak the sentences out loud.
Out loud, like with my voice?
Yes, your mouth needs practice too.
My mouth? My mouth is very lazy in English.
Then we must train it gently.
What should I say first?
Start with sentences about yourself.
About myself?
Yes, my name is James. I live in a city. I like tea. I work in an office. These are simple and useful.
Can our listeners use their own information?
Exactly. They can say, my name is, I am from, I like, I need, I want.
These are beginner sentences.
Yes, they are the first speaking tools.
Speaking tools. I like that expression.
A tool helps you do something. A sentence helps you communicate.
Communicate means share ideas, right?
Yes, to communicate means to understand and be understood.
So English is not about perfect grammar. It is about communication.
Exactly. That is a very important lesson.
Julia, what about pronunciation? Should a beginner start with perfect pronunciation?
No, not perfect. Start with clear pronunciation.
What is the difference?
Perfect means no mistake. Clear means people can understand you.
Ah, clear is kinder.
Yes, for beginners, clear is the goal.
How can I practice clear pronunciation?
Listen and repeat. Choose one short sentence. Listen to it many times, then repeat slowly.
Like a parrot?
A very smart parrot.
I can be a smart English parrot.
Good. But after repeating, use the sentence in your own life.
So first listen, then repeat, then use.
Exactly. That is a simple beginner method.
Listen, repeat, use. I can remember that.
Good. Let's practice now.
Okay, I am ready.
Say, I am learning English step by step.
I am learning English step by step.
Good. Say, I do not need to know everything today.
I do not need to know everything today.
Excellent. Say, I can start with one simple sentence.
I can start with one simple sentence.
Very good.
These sentences make me feel calm.
That is the point. A good beginning should not make you panic.
Panic? What does that mean?
Panic means a very strong feeling of fear or stress.
Oh, yes. I panic when I see a long grammar lesson.
Then we start small, so you feel safe.
I like safe English.
Me too.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Yes, please. It helps us a lot. And we have a small task for you.
If you are still listening, comment the word START below.
Yes, write START in the comments. It is a great word for today because every learner needs a good start.
START. It feels strong. It says, I am beginning now.
Exactly. Now let's talk about listening.
Listening is important, right?
Very important. Many beginners want to speak first, but listening gives your brain English sounds.
English sounds. Like music?
Yes, every language has music. English has rhythm, stress, and sounds.
Sometimes English sounds fast.
That is true. So beginners should listen to slow and clear English first.
Like this podcast?
Exactly. Slow English helps your ears get comfortable.
Comfortable ears. That sounds funny.
But it is true. Your ears need time.
How long should I listen every day?
Start with 5 to 10 minutes.
Again, small steps.
Yes, small steps again and again.
Should I understand every word?
No, at the beginning, understanding every word is not necessary.
Really? That makes me feel better.
Try to understand the main idea, then listen again and catch more words.
Main idea means the big meaning.
Exactly. If the topic is food, maybe you hear coffee, breakfast, and hungry. That is good.
So I do not need to stop at every unknown word.
No, if you stop every 2 seconds, you get tired.
That happened to me. I listened to a video and paused it 50 times. After 5 minutes, I needed lunch.
That is too much stopping.
My finger was tired from pressing pause.
A better way is to listen once without stopping, then listen again and repeat some useful sentences.
That sounds easier.
And choose easy materials, beginner podcasts, simple conversations, short stories, and daily topics.
Not difficult news?
Not at the beginning. News can be fast and full of hard words.
I tried news once. I understood hello and then goodbye to my confidence.
Start with content made for learners.
That is a good rule.
Now, let's talk about reading.
Reading. Should beginners read books?
Yes, but very easy books or short texts.
Not a big novel?
Not yet. A big novel can feel heavy.
I once opened a novel in English. The first sentence was very long. I closed the book like it was dangerous.
Maybe it was not dangerous, but it was not the right level.
Right level is important.
Very important. Choose texts where you understand many words.
How many?
If you understand most of the sentence, it is good. If every word is new, it is too hard.
So I should read small texts like, "This is my family. We live in a small house."
Yes, that is perfect for beginners.
It feels easy but useful.
Exactly. Easy reading builds confidence.
Confidence is when I feel I can do this, right?
Yes, confidence means you believe you can do something.
I want more English confidence.
Then give yourself small wins.
Small wins?
A small win is a little success. Reading one short paragraph is a small win. Saying 5 sentences is a small win.
I love small wins. They are like small cookies for the brain.
That is a funny way to say it.
My brain likes cookies.
I think many brains do.
What about writing, Julia? Should beginners write?
Yes, but keep it very simple.
What can I write?
Write 3 sentences about your day.
3 sentences only?
Yes. For example, today I woke up early. I drank tea. I studied English.
That is not hard.
Exactly. You can do it every day.
But what if I make mistakes?
Mistakes are normal. Do not fear them.
But mistakes look ugly in my notebook.
Mistakes are not ugly. They are teachers.
Mistakes are teachers. That is nice.
When you see a mistake, you can learn from it.
So my notebook is not a museum. It can be messy.
Exactly. It is a learning place.
Good, because my notebook is already messy.
Then it is alive.
My notebook is alive and confused.
And that is okay.
Julia, many learners ask, should I memorize grammar?
Some grammar is helpful, but do not start with too much.
What grammar should beginners start with?
Start with very simple patterns.
Patterns?
A pattern is a sentence shape. For example, I am, I like, I have, I want. Can I?
Oh, those are easy.
Yes. If you know these patterns, you can speak about many things.
I am James. I like coffee. I have a notebook. I want lunch. Can I sit here?
Excellent. You just made 5 useful sentences.
Wow, I sound like a beginner, but a strong beginner.
That is perfect. A strong beginner uses simple English well.
I like that. Strong beginner.
Do not try to sound advanced too early.
Why not?
Because simple English is clear. If you use big words incorrectly, people may not understand.
That happens to me. I learn one big word and try to put it everywhere.
For example?
Last week, I learned excellent. Then I said, this soup is very excellent, and my shoes are excellent, and my chair is excellent.
That is a lot of excellence.
The chair was not even comfortable.
Then maybe it was not excellent.
True.
Learn simple words first. Use them naturally.
Simple and natural. I understand.
Now, James, do you remember my secret from the beginning?
Oh, yes, the secret for knowing what to study first.
Are you ready?
I am very ready. My notebook is alive and waiting.
Good. The secret is called the Life First Rule.
Life first rule. What does that mean?
It means start with the English you need in your real life first.
Real life first. Can you explain?
Yes. Ask yourself, what do I want to say in English this week?
Maybe I want to introduce myself.
Then learn introduction sentences.
Maybe I want to order coffee.
Then learn coffee and restaurant sentences.
Maybe I want to talk about my job.
Then learn simple work sentences.
So I do not study random English first.
Exactly. Start with your life, your name, your home, your family, your food, your work, your day.
That is smart, because I can use it right away.
Yes, when you use English right away, you remember it better.
So the best place to start is not page 1 of a big book. It is my own life.
Exactly. Your life is your first English classroom.
Wow, Julia, that is beautiful.
Thank you, James.
I am thinking now my first classroom is my kitchen, my phone, my work, and my coffee cup.
Yes, put English on real things.
Like I can say, this is a cup. I drink coffee. The coffee is hot.
Perfect. That is beginner English in real life.
And in the morning, I can say, I wake up, I wash my face, I eat breakfast.
Excellent.
This is much easier than starting with a huge grammar book.
It is. Grammar will come later, little by little.
I feel less afraid now.
Good. Learning English should feel possible.
Let's remember what we talked about today.
Great idea.
we talked about where to start learning English.
First, start with useful everyday words.
Then put those words into simple sentences.
Then listen to slow and clear English.
Then repeat useful sentences out loud.
Then read easy texts at the right level.
Then write 3 simple sentences about your day.
And use simple grammar patterns like I am, I like, and I want.
Exactly.
And the secret was the life first rule.
Yes, start with the English you need in your real life.
I love that. My life is my first English classroom.
Perfectly said.
Well, everyone, we hope you enjoyed this conversation about where to start learning English.
Yes, we hope it helps you feel calm and ready to begin.
Before you go, we want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, what is the first English sentence you want to learn?
And remember, comment the word START below so we know you are beginning with us.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to English Channel for Beginners.
Share this episode with a friend who wants to start learning English but feels confused.
Thank you so much for listening and practicing with us today.
Start small, start simple, and start with your real life.
We will see you in the next episode.
Until next time, keep practicing and stay brave.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.